નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. Adarsh Education Society welcomes you all here. Dear student friends, let's move ahead with auxiliary verbs. Can, could is equal to able to. Can, could, especially for the present tense, can is used. For the past tense, could is used. Able to requires present or past primary auxiliary verbs in the combination with that. Able to can be used. How it is? I can work more than 10 hours per day. That shows the capacity, ability, potential, work and competency of myself. I can work. This shows my ability. This shows my capacity. This shows my potential. This shows my competency. But that is with present tense. That is with present tense. If you will think for the past tense, the same sentence I have written here. I could work more than 10 hours per day. One thing I'll clarify here. This shows for the past tense, positive sense that once upon a time, just before 5 years ago, 10 years ago, 20 years ago, I was able to work for 10 hours per day. But so far as present tense is concerned, the total target meaning of this sentence is equal to at present I cannot. Once upon a time I could. This is the difference in between use and usage of can and could. Both are able to indicate potential, capacity, ability, competency. With the same one, think for able to. Able to always requires primary auxiliary. I am able to work more than 10 hours per day. Here am is used in the form of be. Do be have primary auxiliaries. Be is used here in the form of am. That indicates present tense. Same sentence. I was able to work more than 10 hours. Here was is used for to be for. In the same way, able is here used for capacity, ability, potential, competency. It can be used in present tense also, in past tense also, but with the support of primary auxiliary verbs. This is also was able indicates in present, at present I am not. This is the main difference in between can, could, able to, that you will think in your mind. Next to that, this thing in the past positive sense is given, it means at present with the negation. Past positive sense at present with the negation or with the negative sense. Either it is with the negation or it is with the negative sense. That thing you will keep in your mind. Got the idea? Now we will move ahead with the second use and usage of can and could. In direct speech, can is given. That will be converted into could in indirect speech. For that I have given here. I told my father, comma, interrogated, comma, I can work more than 10 hours per day. Here, I told my father that I can work is converted here. I could work more than 10 hours per day. In this way, we can use can and could with the special ability, with the special use and usage in English language. Got the idea? I'll give you time to write down the same thing. Then afterwards we'll move ahead with the extra, which special use and usages are there with Kalyan code, that we'll think here. Just before that, write down the screen. Let's go ahead with the other extra use and usages. Can code able to. You see here, for asking and giving permission. Can I break this glass in an attempt? This is my capacity. If you will say yes, I will do it. This indicates ability. But with ability, I am asking permission. I have that ability. If you will say yes, I'll go for that. In that case, in that regard, when you want to ask your permission for you, at the time you can use can. The same thing in the past, you want to prove your ability, at the time also you can, could I break this glass in an attempt? In the past. That is with the present and past, but in present scenario, this is for asking permission, this is for giving permission. You can break this glass in an attempt. Okay, no problem, you can have it. This is for giving permission, but this is for giving permission with an attempt. This is for giving permission, for asking permission with ability, capacity. For asking and giving suggestion. Actually, rarely we use this. But in suggestion also, you would be able to indicate ability. You have ability of these, and for that you can work this. When I want to give this kind of suggestion, at the time I will use can in this regard, in this situation. You can start your work with your own time. You have capacity. You can start your work to win this match in your time. That indicates your ability, your capacity, your potential, your competence. The same thing, can I start my work with my own time? Please suggest me. For asking suggestion, for giving suggestion, in both the ways, ability remains as it is without any much more change. Next to that, can is having such different use and usages. Apart from that, special use and usage is with could have. You will use could have in positive sense with the past. Confirm. But the use and usage of could have indicates past failure. Once again, you will use could have anywhere else. The total meaning of that sentence would be total failure in the past. Sense is positive, meaning remains negative. You could have selected the next road of your life. You could have selected it. But the thing is what? You did not select in the past. You could have selected it. But in fact, you remained on the same road of your life. You were on the same stream of your life. This is the fact. This is the special use and usage of could have. For suggestion also, can have is possible. You can have this You can have this dish. તમારી તબિયત બરાબર નથી, તમે ડૉક્ટરને પૂછવા જાઓ છો મારે શું ખાવું જોઈએ. Then doctor can say you can have hodgepodge khichdi, hodgepodge. You can have suggestion in present scenario. It is there. You can have this dish, hodgepodge dish in your food. You can have it. It is for giving and asking permission. Can have, but the use and usage of would have is different. Can have is fully different. In this way, we have completed shall will with general use and usage, with special use and usage, and with extra other usages. Next to that, can could, we have completed can could able, can could able or able to, with the characteristic, with the features, with the special use and usage in English language. Write down it so that it can be for your best reference. Complete it. Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.